Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Subscribe to it if you have not, and do not forget to hit the bell button present on the right side of it to get the notifications about it. The beautiful state of Jammu and Kashmir is not just a treat to eyes but has a rich culinary heritage as well. The history of Kashmir's traditional cuisine, Wazwan, dates back to the years of 14th century when Mongol ruler Timur invaded India. As a result, there took place a migration of cooks to Kashmir Valley. The descendants of these cooks came to be known as Wazas, who are the master chefs of Kashmir. Throughout the history, Kashmiri cuisine has stood high and unrivaled by any other state of India. Rice is the staple food of Kashmiris and has been so since ancient times. Kashmiri cuisine is predominantly non-vegetarian because of the climatic conditions, but there are few vegetarian preparations too that are tremendously delicious. Today's dish is Dum Aalu. So here is the recipe. Boil the potatoes and pressure cook for 1 to 2 whistles. Now heat oil in a pan and deep fry them. This way they will taste best in the gravy. Dum Aalu is one of the famous potato based dish. It is a part of traditional Kashmiri Pandit cuisine from Kashmir Valley in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. The potatoes, usually smaller ones, are first deep fried, then cooked slowly at low flame in gravy and spices. Dum Aalu is a popular recipe cooked throughout India. It is easy to make. It is delicious, creamy and full of flavors. It is one of the classic Indian dishes served in special meals like weddings, celebrations or festivals. Potatoes are deep fried, which impart great unique texture to potatoes. They turn light, tender, delicious and flavorful when added to spicy gravy. I used baby potatoes. It is simple and basic vegetarian curries of India. Fry them until they turn golden brown. Now take them out and keep them aside to drain the extra oil. Saunf powder. It should be of fine consistency. Then is ginger powder, Kashmiri lal mirch. Kashmiri lal mirch are not that spicy, but they are used to give color to the dish. Black cardamom and cloves also. A glass of water also. Now press the golden brown potatoes slightly just to develop a little bit of cracks in them. Heat a pan with oil and put moti ilaichi, long into it. Put the flame on low. Kashmiri lal mirch and immediately put 1 glass of water. This helps to prevent the Kashmiri mirch from burning. Put the flame on high and boil it. Now add deep fried potatoes one by one. Add salt according to your taste. Allow it to boil for a few minutes. Then add dry ginger powder and saunf powder. Cover with a tight lid. Allow it to cook in a low heat for 5 to 7 minutes. At this stage, gravy must be thick and potatoes fully cooked. Now switch off the flame. Keep covered until dum aloo is served. Make sure the gravy has reached a thick consistency. It thickens a bit more when cooled. Dum aloo goes great with rice, zeera rice, lachha parantha, plain parantha, puri, naan or roti. So this is all for today. See you in the next one. Till the time, stay connected and subscribe to my channel, and also do not forget to like the video if you like it. Thanks a lot.